Hello students, welcome to M.P.S Academy. This is for class 8 question answer session. As we have completed our chapter 1 and 2, so the question answer remain left. That's why I have thought that we have to discuss with you the question answer. So that's why you will make fair and take remember the notes of compare. Okay, let's start with the topic. The topic today is the question answer session contains of 4 parts. MCQs, fill in the blank, try true false, answer the following questions. Okay, if you talk about the MCQs contain a 5 question as in your book have written. Each question contains a 4 option that you have to choose the correct answer for that. So first question, a network which is organized and individual person is known as dash. So individual person, it means personal data, personal area network. So I have put in here PAA. For next, second number, I have put a WAN for suitable. That is the suitable answer. For third, client and server, it's a suitable answer. For fourth, the server is good answer, and for fifth, tree topology is good answer. Second chapter, if you talk about the first question, this also fill in the blank also contains a 5 question. Each question have a 1 or more blanks that we have to fill. The first question have a dash or room chip that contain a unique number, which is the hardware address or a MAC address. MAC address, it can be the NIC. Okay. For next is, for second number, dash is a computer network that expand over states, countries, and very simple, it's a WAN. For next, for third number, network architecture. For fourth, Wi-Fi, and for fifth, bus topology. Okay. If you talk about the true false also contain a 5 question. Each question asks us that whether the statement is true or false. So we have to put one word for one question. Okay. For one question, for first number question, the option fiber cable consists of a central core surrounded by protective cladded gear. I have put it true, that is the suitable answer. For second, false. For third, false. For fourth, true, and for fifth, true. Okay, this can be the good answer. If we talk about the question answer of chapter 1, the question answer of chapter 1, first question is what is the computer network. As I have taught you in the lecture of chapter number 1, the computer network is a collection of computer devices to share information and resources. This can be the suitable answer for question number 1. And if you talk about the modem, maybe we have studied about it in previous class about a modem. If you talk about the Bluetooth and wireless technology, this can be the suitable answer for third number. Okay. If you talk about the fourth number questions answer, explain buses and a star topology. Buses and a star topology, this is the suitable answer for this. That's why I have written here. If you talk about the fifth number, what do you mean by the network security? Network security, what is this? That's why maybe you don't have studied it in that lecture, because I have made the video in first that was based on the last book. So that's why I don't have told you about this network security. It is the 2 types that is written in your book that you can read by yourself. This is a very easy book and a very understandable language. That's why you can read that and try to understand what is the network security. Okay. If you talk about the second number chapter with the question number MCQs, this MCQs also contains 5 questions as always, as usual. Okay. So first question is, DAS is a software package that provide a software program to control the creation, maintenance, and use of database. That can be the first answer is DBMS is the correct answer. For second, query. For third, all of these, it means that the save button, undo, redo, and quick access contains all of these. Okay, so all of these can be the good answer. I have put here all of this because of a space. So that's why if you want to make a fair, you have to put all of this. Okay, and you have to make a fair for this and try to remember one by one. If you talk about the fourth number, navigation pane can be the good answer. Fifth, control O can be the good answer. If you talk about the fill in the blank, it also contains a 5 question. Each question contains a blank that we have to fill. First question contains the quick and efficiently. It can be the good answer. If you talk about the second number, duplication of data, could be the good answer. Redundancy, the meaning of redundancy is duplication. Okay. If you talk about the third number, MS Access, it can be the good answer. Fourth number, table, and fifth number, report. If you talk about the true false, it also contains a 5 question as usual, and each question asks us the statement whether it true or false. So I have put the good answer is false, and for second true, for third true, for fifth false, and for fourth false, and for fifth true. If you talk about the question answer for chapter 2, I have put the questions and answer with it. What is the database? Database is a collection of data that is organized for easy access, retrieval, and management of its contents. It can be the suitable answer. My point of view, you can write by yourself the answer. For second number questions, I have put the suitable answer for you. For third, I have put the suitable answer for you. If you talk about the define the terms, the fourth number question, define the terms table and query. Table and query, it also contains a good answer for you. Here I have written here. And if you talk about the fifth number, difference between a form and report, form and reports, I have written a good answer for you here. And the third number question, it is blank here, and this is the idle blank here. You shouldn't mind on it. Okay, that's all for today.